If you want to boost your immunity and get rid of inflammation, then you need to try this Haldi Amla Shot made with just a few ingredients but packed with amazing health benefits. Hi friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries, and now let's get started and make this healthy drink in just minutes. And here in this plate I have taken the required ingredients like haldi or turmeric, known to boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Then you'll also need a small piece of adrak or ginger, which helps to improve digestion and fights cold. Then this is amla or Indian gooseberry that has been sliced, and as we all know, amla is a rich source of vitamin C and strengthens our immunity. Also, I'm going to include 3 oranges that are mildly sweet, which will add some sweetness to the drink as well as enhance the vitamin C level. Using a citrus squeezer will freshly extract the orange juice. And our fresh orange juice is here. And now we need to add all the ingredients into a blender jar. Here goes the sliced haldi or turmeric. Then goes the amla or gooseberry. The quantity of amla should be slightly more than the haldi to balance the taste. Then goes the sliced ginger. And finally goes the fresh orange juice. If you don't have orange juice, you can add some honey to balance the taste and some water to blend this into a smooth paste. But since I've added orange juice, I am not adding any water here. And now let's blend this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now. Well, this is ready. And our next step is to strain the juice. And with the help of a spoon, we will press and squeeze the juice as much as we can from the paste. And our natural immunity boosting and detox drink is ready. I'm going to serve this drink in shot glasses. Also, you can prepare it extra and freeze this powerful drink in ice cube trays. Next morning, in empty stomach, you just need to add a little boiling water in a glass with 1 cube of it and enjoy. So friends, do try this Haldi Amla Shot during this winter, which is a great way to support your immunity and overall health using natural ingredients, and make it a part of your daily routine for better digestion, stronger immunity and long-term wellness. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other healthy recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay healthy, stay fit.